Okay, so in a quick tutorial, I always recommend whenever you start working with Maya, you always start with project windows. Okay, setting up a project is extremely essential to organize your files in Maya. So by default, when you start your Maya creates a default folder in your program files, documents. But I always recommend you go into File, and there's two windows go under this project submenu. Within this project, we have a project window and a set project. So if you have multiple projects, to switch between various different project folders, you use the set window. Other than that, I click on the project window. What this will do, it will tell me the few basic things such as the project name. So I will just click on the new, and this would ask me a new project. So for example, I can say Maya in minute. That's my project name where I want to save this project as. So I will just say that save it somewhere around here. Click select, and then you would find these are various different project folders. These folders basically are auto created by Maya itself. You don't need to know, but you need to know that where each file is going. So by default, all your scene files go into your scene folder. Your images go inside your images. Your source images like your textures, references, etc. can go into your source images folder. Similarly, the render data contains the folder or images, sometimes even cache temporary files regarding your rendering when you do. And clips, if you're storing clips within your animation projects, this is where it goes. Sound, this is where it goes. Scripts, this is where this would go in, so on and so forth. So all these folders are there, and Maya needs these folders. This is what we call a structured folder. Now, second advantage of working with the folder is that once you need to move your project from one PC to another PC, or you need to send it to multiple members within a group. So if you set one project, then it becomes very easy to copy the entire project folder because everything would be inside the project. So just copy it and then paste it on another window. Go into, and then if I click accept, let that be done. Then if I go into file, set a project window, this basically means that I have copied a new project. Maya doesn't know about it, and I want to tell the Maya about this particular folder. So I just want to come here, select that particular folder that Maya or I want to work with. Click on this, click on set, and now Maya will know I would be working with that folder. What the advantage is that if I click on open, Maya would automatically take me within that particular folder, Maya in a minute, and in scenes folder, since Maya know I'm going to open a scene. Similarly, if I come here, this is where my current project window folder is, so I can very quickly switch between images, source images, render data, and so on and so forth. So it becomes very easy and nice to organize and work with that. Okay, this is Maya in a minute. See you around. Take care. Fi amanullah.